This is how it works. You push this button right here, and when you back it up, it does this. No, it does this. It goes like this. That's all it does.
Oh.
All you just can do, Papa. You can do this too. Okay. See? Where we go?
Here it is. What does that do?
Wait, we first put something. No. I don't want it that way. Big.
What kind of truck is it?
It's the garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Then it opens up.
When you grow up, do you want to drive a garbage truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be fun, huh?
See that big old truck next time I come?
Huh?
See that big old truck next time I come?
Okay.
And I can put some storage in the, like this.
Okay.
Okay. They can be on the store that we got.
How much what?
Yeah.
How much?
$10.
Bye-bye.
Bye.